Well, I'm Chris Bent, President of Atlantic Cruising Yachts. We commission and deliver anywhere from 30 to 50 boats a year. So you really have to have a team. You have to have a team in La Rochelle. You have to have a team here in the States when the boat arrives, and then a service team to follow up afterward and continue to support the project.
Step by step, the process is when the boat is ready, we go to the factory, we accept the boat, which is a full control of the boat and a test of the system. When the acceptance is finished, we send a full report to the factory, who's got 5 open days to completely finalize and fix the issue that has been spotted at the acceptance. When the boat gets transported, we do another check of the boat. Following that, the contractors can start the works. So they do the bottom plate, they do the masting, the rigging, the launching.
So one of the advantages to ACY commissioning is we put together a time for the customers to actually fly over to France. They can see their boat, they can see the factory, they can see the boat leave the factory, they can follow the boat on the fancy trailer that goes through the narrow streets of France. All those things are part of the experience.
Having the option and the boat ready on time with our expectation, then we can assist the client on what he needs typically for himself. Where the factory build boats for, I would say, everyone, ACY is taking care of this final customer itself.
We know that there's about a 90% package of options that's going to work really well for the majority of our clients. And so we start with an ACY cruising package, we call it. And that has the right balance of factory options and electronics packages and local aftermarket options that we've either trained our contractors in La Rochelle to install or that we install in Florida or Annapolis. And from there, it's a consultation with the client to determine exactly how they intend to use the boat, to really work through the rest of the options. Commissioning is probably the most critical aspect of buying a new boat. It's the difference between having a great experience as an owner and a not so good experience. You know, it's all about taking a product that is being built in a factory in France for a worldwide market and ending up with something that you and your family are going to enjoy, you know, wherever you're going to be using the boat. We've evolved over the years. You know, we've been doing this a long time. We've learned a lot about the boats. We've collaborated well with the manufacturers and learned really how to deliver a great product.